How's it going, guys? Behind me, I've got a trench. Down there, down that way towards the woods. Anyways, dug it last night up to a pond in the middle of the field. It wasn't really a pond, it's not supposed to be a pond, but it was a low area that I must have a clay bottom and it's holding a ton of water. And this is sand. It's a sandy field. It's well drained except for that one pond. Anyways, once the pond was draining itself, it brought in a lot of dirt and filled in parts of my trench with some dirt. So now I need to come back over here and dig out my trench with a mini excavator. And this video is going to be a how-to video on how to, traverse a trench that's already dug without wrecking your mini. Thought I'd show you an end cap of actually driving off of the ditch. So like I'm sitting perpendicular to the ditch right over it. That's my ditch running down to there's like a valley down there in that woods. There's my ditch line running up. There's a pond. You can't really see it. It's down that low spot between me and the truck. It's where the ground gets darker. And you can see there's some water ponding in there that parts of the walls caved in and there's dirt that came down with it. So I'll show you from the in-cab view of driving out. Got my arm extended way out in front of me. I'm going to lower it down just a little bit to take my center of gravity or my weight of my gravity out that way. And then we'll just drive off. Lean back just a little bit, that's normal. Just like that. I'm no longer suspended over the trench. And as you see, a little dirt fell in, but I'm going to move down maybe 20 feet, not quite that, maybe 15 feet I guess, towards my water hole, and I'll dip out the parts I knocked in, so you kind of keep fixing your problems with creating. Obviously the reverse is the reverse. You put your arm back out and drive forward. Hope that helps.